The Shiba Inu could soon become a multi-millionaire coin. You need to be prepared for what's about to happen since a huge bullish signal just went on for Shib. The last time this occurred, the price of Shib surged by hundreds of percent in a matter of days, and this is happening as Ethereum's price soars, smashing all resistance levels. The video is a must-watch for anybody with a Shiba Inu interest or Shib tokens. So, what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? How does this whole situation impact the value of Shiba Inu? All of this new information about Shiba Inu that has just surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on August 16th before we get into our issue. Alright, approximately 1,300 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With $182 million in trading activity, Shib's price has climbed 3% in the last 24 hours. Additionally, with a market valuation of more than $7.6 billion, the token is presently the 28th highest valued cryptocurrency. You should be aware that these rates may have changed by the time you see this video. This content is not financial advice. Alright then, I'll begin today's video. Something may be about to go really crazy since a huge Shiba Inu bull run indication just went off. Here I am referring to the 200-day exponential moving average, a huge signal. When looking to determine if a certain coin is experiencing a bull run, this is a great indication to keep an eye on. The Shiba Inu is now trading at a critical level of breakouts by examining previous results. 2 times since the beginning of 2024, with the first being on February 8th, this signal has been detected. It's incredible that Shib increased by more than 400% in just 26 days. It last pinged on October 5th, and the token subsequently pushed 90% in 63 days. Because the market was so preoccupied with Solana and its ecosystem, Ethereum tokens underperformed on the second signal, which is why Shib, in my opinion, fared worse. However, things seem to be different now that Ethereum is beginning to look very robust. Both of these pumps have a downward trend area that Shiba Inu has used as resistance. This trend line has been tested before, and as a general rule, resistance weakens with repeated testing. Along with the trend line being lower, Shib doesn't have to break through strong psychological levels to go beyond it. At the moment, Shiba Inu seems like a very enticing long due to the high probability of a trendline breakout and an exceptionally bullish 200-day EMA flip. Also, I'll go into more detail in the video on why I'm particularly optimistic about Shiba Inu in the coming weeks. Clicking the like button doesn't cost you anything and really helps fund the channel, so if you're still watching, it would be very appreciated. Watch this space, nevertheless, for all the newest Shiba Inu news and speculation on the coin's future. What more grounds do I have to support my bias towards Shiba Inu? The Shiba Inu ETF storyline, in my opinion, could begin to take shape in the coming weeks. With billions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, the meme coin industry is a hive of activity with ETF predictions until 2025. Solana, Litecoin, and XRP are just a few cryptocurrencies that have seen a change in regulatory focus from the SEC. With a focus on 33 Act files, Bloomberg ETF experts have provided approval probability for several cryptocurrency ETFs before year-end. Among meme currencies vying for ETF status, Dogecoin is clearly in the lead. A watershed moment for meme assets came in March 2025, when asset manager Bitwise applied for a spot Doge ETF. The Bloomberg Doge has a strong reputation in the market, minimal transaction costs, and support from influential people like Elon Musk. Therefore, according to Eric Balchunas, there is a 90% chance of approval by the end of 2025. Recent filings have caused several prediction markets, such as Polymarket, to raise their chances to 80% from 63% to 76%. Additional meme currencies included in the exchange-traded fund. Conversation. Pepe has exploded in popularity, becoming the most popular frog-themed meme currency, and often tops CoinGecko trends. Forecasts of influxes are expected to drive prices higher, making it an ideal candidate for a meme coin ETF basket, according to Bloomberg analysts. It is a speculative play because to its strong community and market valuation, but it has not yet filed directly. Pepe, according to analysts, is riding the meme ETF wave that might seize the excitement around AI Web3 integrations. Oh no, thanks to 21 shares in the Solana ETF registrations, the main meme currency of Solana has seen tremendous increases. According to Bloomberg, the probability of Solana ETFs being allowed are 95%. As a native Solana meme asset, Bonk may ride the coattails. It is now better positioned for long-term development than competitors like Pepe, thanks to recent listings on top exchanges and ETF speculations, which caused a 60% spike in short bursts. In light of the above, I pose the question to Elon Musk's AI Grok: does it believe the prospect of a Shiba Inu ETF exists, and if so, what is the probability of its realization? And this is just what it said. I am projecting a 25% chance of a SHIB ETF approval by the end of 2025 based on the data that is now available. There are no current filings, but here is the justification for each stage. In spite of SHIB's enormous market valuation and prominence as the most Googled Ethereum token, no large asset manager has sought to acquire it, unlike Doge or Solana. This void has been brought to light in a recent piece, which attributes it to the following: SHIB's meme status, the absence of regulated futures, the perceived volatility elements that the SEC considers when approving projects, and momentum and community considerations. Over 6,000 people have signed petitions urging SHIB's acceptance, and the community has provided 10 reasons why this is certain to happen. SHIB is completely absent from Bloomberg's cryptocurrency ETF odds, suggesting that it is not as important as Doge, which is listed at 90%. Though its meme label begs further investigation, SHIB's ERC20 characteristics connects it to Ethereum ETFs. The probability of Doge's success increasing to 50% or higher by 2026 are dependent on its ability to open doors. At the moment, nevertheless, opinion ranks SHIB lower than more popular memes like Pengu and Doge. While 25% isn't great, all it takes is for the Dogecoin ETF to be authorized or for one business to apply. Suddenly, it becomes a story, and everyone is going to be in a mad rush to attempt to get SHIB ETF approved first. Taking early positions allows us to even front-run the story, which is what we're doing. We want to purchase the rumor and resell it as news. Because of this and other positive signs from technical analysis, Shiba Inu is now one of the best cryptocurrency choices. You should be aware that these rates may have changed by the time you see this video. This content is not financial advice. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu creators and the real-world worth of SHIB, several of our subscribers have said that they will not sell SHIB for the next 5 years and keep millions of them. What number do you have in your hands? Please disclose all of your SHIB holdings in the space provided below. It's great that the SHIB holder has faith in what's happening. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments. Additionally, to ensure that you are alerted whenever we upload a new video, be sure to enable post notifications.